Hello wheelies, this is a video of a near-death experience for myself, Carolyn and Georgia, our lovely doggy. It's unbelievable. Watch the video and it's going to show you in great detail how close we came to curtains, and later on in the video the glorious and magical scenery of northern Turkey in the worst winter for 37 years. The beginning of the video is again typical, going through the exit from Georgia, nice and smooth, tickety-boo. Going into Turkey, really bad, as per usual, and we've crossed 4-5 times. Always takes a long time, and they have the most unintelligent people working there. We came in and this guy asked us to get out of the van and go up this place. Got a long story short, we ended up going through, showing passports, blah blah blah, came out the other end and we were in Turkey. So we had to go back and then got to the van. We got in the van, went through where we should have gone straight away, and the guy opened our passports and he's looking at us really puzzled because they're already stamped. And I explained what this numpty had told us to do and he just went, oh. But there you go, just one of the many experiences of life on the road. Watch this video to the end and you'll see some amazing things. That's a promise. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy it and share it with your pals. Thanks very much. Here we go.
First bloke, he shouldn't have sent us out the van and walk up there. He shouldn't have done that.
So we did all that for no?
Yeah. No. What? Right, let me tell you how they do it.
So it was the first security man that went wrong with
Yeah,
it?
he shouldn't have sent us walking up as pedestrians.
Well, I thought it was funny. He mustn't have seen us get out of the van then.
Hey! No, what happened was, when we first came onto the Turkish side, the first customs officer told us to go out. Yeah?
Yeah.
He shouldn't have done that. It should have been to stay in your vehicle. Then when this guy said you can go, he shouldn't have said you can go, because your next stage is to do your passport control. So he did the check of the vehicle,
Right.
and then we should have gone to the passport control, but he said you can go. That means go.
Let's sort of bloody let us out now then.
Well, don't bother with the dogs. Never.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Goodness for that. Look at him with pink mask.
That was close. That was close.
I never even saw it.
Oh,
Busy looking at
that
it.
saw it. The Dashcam saw it. That's the worst I've seen. And he's a bloody minibus driver with passengers. back in Godauri.
Certainly looks like.
Just come through a long tunnel.